क्या आप ऑफिस में इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त हेजिटेट करते हो या ईमेल्स में गलती करते हो? तो आज का वीडियो आपके लिए है। मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 12 कॉमन ऑफिस इंग्लिश मिस्टेक्स जो बिगिनर्स और प्रोफेशनल्स दोनों करते हैं और कैसे आप उन्हें इजीली अवॉइड कर सकते हो। मैंने भी जब स्टार्ट करा था मीटिंग्स में बोलते वक्त ईमेल्स में फ्रेजेस कंफ्यूज हो जाती थी, बट एक सिंपल रूल फॉलो करके मैं कॉन्फिडेंट बन गई और मैं आज आपके साथ वही टिप्स शेयर करूंगी ताकि आप भी प्रोफेशनल और कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश बोल सको। सो नंबर 1 मिस्टेक, प्लीज डू द नीडफुल। It is incorrect, right? It is incorrect. So what is the correct statement? Please take necessary action. Beginners often say, please do the needful. लेकिन ये थोड़ा old fashioned और vague लगता है। Professional से please take necessary action. ये polite, clear and short है। For example, dear Ramesh, please take necessary action regarding the client's report. Best regards, Pallavi. Repeat after me now. Please take necessary action. Now, mistake number 2. I will revert back. It is incorrect. The correct it is I will revert. Revert already means reply back. So don't add extra word. Beginners often say, I will revert back. Avoid this. So the correct sentence is, I will revert with the updates by tomorrow. Important tip you have to follow is clarity. So say it after me now. I will revert with the updates by tomorrow. Now mistake number 3. Let's discuss on this. That is incorrect. And the correct is let's discuss. Preposition mistake. Common hai. Don't say let's discuss on this. Correct it is let's discuss. Now say it loud. Let's discuss this. Now, 4th mistake. Please find the attachment. It is incorrect. Correct it is please see the attachment. Find sound old fashioned. Better it is please see the attachment. For example, dear Anil, please see the attachment for the meeting agenda. Now repeat after me. Please see the attachment. 5th mistake. Kindly revert. It is incorrect and correct it is please reply. Kindly revert sound awkward or outdated. Professional way it is please reply. Please reply by end of day with your comments. Now practice it aloud. Please reply by end of day. Now mistake number 6. I am expecting your reply. It is incorrect. And the correct it is I look forward to your reply. I am expecting your reply is like forceful. It looks forceful. So the correct it is I look forward to your reply. Repeat now. I look forward to your reply. Now mistake 7. I will do it ASAP. That is incorrect. Now the correct it is I will do it as soon as possible. Abbreviations we should not use. It sounds informal. So we should use formally by telling it in full. I will do it as soon as possible. So that's the correct one. Now mistake number 8. Please advise. That is incorrect. So the correct it is please advise. Advice is a noun and advice is a verb. Beginners often confuse with it. So the correct it is, please advise on the next plan. Now mistake number 9. It is, I will do the needful ASAP. That is wrong. The correct it is, I will take necessary action as soon as possible. Combo mistake. Vague plus abbreviation. So the correct it is, I will take necessary action as soon as possible. Now repeat after me. I will take necessary action as soon as possible. Now mistake number 10. Let's do a meeting. That is wrong. Let's have a meeting is right. English में correct phrase के लिए we use have, not do. Now let me give you one short example. Suppose the manager say, let's have a meeting at 3 p.m. So the employer can reply, sure, see you then. So practice and say it with me. Let's have a meeting. Now mistake number 11. I will call you later on. So that is incorrect. Correct it is, I will call you later. Extra preposition, they are unnecessary. Correct it is, I will call you later. Example, I will call you later to discuss the project. I will call you later is right. Now the last mistake. Please do the needful and update. That is wrong. The correct it is, please take necessary action and update me. Combine polite language. Avoid old phrases and keep it short and professional. Example, Dear Ravi, please take necessary action and update me by tomorrow. And if you find it useful, all these 12 mistakes, make sure to like, subscribe and share with the people, those who really need it, and follow for more such tips.